Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I make those little small pastries, something real fast. So I got this puff pastry from the store and it comes with 2 sheets inside. So over here I'm using 1 out of 2. I got the almond paste from Trader Joe's. That's what I'm gonna use today. And I'm kind of put it in my triangles I just cut, like in the center, and then I'm just gonna roll it and put it on the baking sheet. In the meantime, I'm preheating the oven to 400. So while I'm making those, the oven's gonna be ready. And next I'm gonna take a second sheet out of the package and cut it in 4 pieces again, kind of triangles. Put the filling inside. You can actually use any filling you like. You can make it like a ground beef pastries if you like in a salty side. But my kids like it like that, so I brush it over with a little bit of water. You can use an egg wash. You can use milk to kind of like wet it a little bit. So the almond slices I'm gonna put on top so they kind of stick to it. So here we put it in the oven. So it took about 25 to 30 minutes. And here we have it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sprinkle with a little bit of powdered sugar on top, so to make it nice and pretty. And here we have it. So if you like it, hit the like, subscribe, and come back for more.